Ever wondered what the street food scene in Shanghai looks like? This bustling metropolis is a gastronomic paradise, brimming with diversity and flavors that satisfy every palate. Shanghai's street food isn't just about the taste, it's a cultural experience that tells a story of the city's history and people. From sizzling dumplings to savory crepes, every dish is a culinary masterpiece that captivates your senses. Today, embark on a culinary journey with us to explore the top street eats that you must try when visiting this bustling metropolis. First up, we have the iconic Xiao Long Bao. These delightful morsels are a culinary masterpiece, a symphony of textures and flavors. Imagine biting into a delicate steamed dumpling. As your teeth pierce the thin skin, the hot, savory broth inside is released, mingling with the rich, juicy pork filling. It's a sublime blend of tastes that dances on your palate, making each bite a gastronomic experience. These steamed soup dumplings are a must-try for any food lover. Next on our list is Jianbing, a popular breakfast street food. This isn't just any ordinary crepe. It's a hearty, savory treat that's filled with a medley of flavors. Imagine a thin, crispy crepe enveloping a layer of egg, providing a soft, velvety contrast to the crunch of the wontons. The sauces, a blend of salty, sweet and spicy, add a punch of flavor that ties it all together. Eating a Jianbing is an experience in itself. Each bite is a symphony of textures and tastes that leave you craving for more. But what if you're in the mood for something that packs a bit more heat? Enter the spicy hot pot, a Sichuan-style dish that's not for the faint-hearted. This fiery cauldron is filled to the brim with a variety of meats and vegetables, all bathed in a mouth-numbing spicy broth. If you're craving something spicy, be sure to try the Sichuan-style spicy hot pot. It's a true flavor explosion. And of course, no trip to Shanghai would be complete without sampling the famous Sheng Jian Bao. Now imagine this, a bun that's a perfect harmony of textures and flavors. The Shang Jan Bao is a pan-fried pork bun that's a favorite among locals and tourists alike. The magic of this bun lies in its dual texture. The bottom is pan-fried to a crispy golden brown, while the top remains soft and fluffy. It's this contrast that makes every bite a delightful surprise. But the excitement doesn't stop there. Inside this little parcel of joy is a juicy filling of ground pork, which is seasoned to perfection. When you take your first bite, be prepared for an explosion of flavors. The savory pork, combined with the crispy and soft bun, creates a symphony in your mouth. The Shang Jan Bao is not just food, it's an experience, a memory, a story waiting to be told. These pan-fried pork buns are a true delight for your taste buds. So there you have it, some of the best street foods that Shanghai has to offer. We've journeyed through the sizzling flavors of the city, starting with the iconic Xiao Long Bao. These steamed soup dumplings, filled with hot broth and succulent pork, offer a symphony of textures and tastes. We also delved into the world of Jianbing, a savory crepe bursting with egg, crispy wontons and a medley of sauces, a perfect kickstart to any day. For those who crave a spicy punch, the Sichuan-style spicy hot pot was our next stop, a dish that is as fiery as it is flavorful. And let's not forget the famous Sheng Jian Bao, pan-fried pork buns that are a crispy, juicy delight for the senses. Each of these dishes is a testament to the rich culinary heritage of Shanghai. Make sure to hit the streets and indulge in these delicious treats on your next visit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more culinary adventures.